How you can find the best IPTV players for your Firestick or your Android TV. In the past, you will find the list of the best IPTV player for the Firestick, new Firestick 4K, new Firestick 4K Max, Fire TV, and etc. So basically, an IPTV player is an app or software that lets you stream videos through your IPTV subscription or TV. There are advantages and many things, but I'm going to show you straight the best IPTV players. Number one is TV Mate IPTV. TV Mate IPTV easily tops the list because it has the best features or the latest features any app can be available on the downloader. Second will be IPTV Smarters. This is one of the best applications also. And the number third is Flix IPTV. Now we will move to the number four, that is Kodi Streamer. Here you can install it too. And the last number five is Perfect Player IPTV. You can also use GAC Smart IPTV on the fifth. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.